It's just too slippery.
we understand.
Yeah, they're just playing pretty good together. She's staying right there on the bed, isn't she?
Yeah.
She isn't going to relinquish the
My
bed.
little pleasure seeker.
Yeah.
Like mommy, like puppy.
Yeah. Wow. All right. Come on, you slow down.
Yeah, what's happening
We
there?
got stuff to do. You keep going, the skeeters won't get us.
Yeah, you keep moving around, they can't get you.
Ooh, somebody's going off the second step. I really like your bed. How much do you want to sell it for? It's not for sale.
Yeah,
That'll make you a good deal.
yeah. Well, it's used, so how about $4?
Yeah. Well, I'll give you 2 bags of dog treats.
Let's see, we actually have 1, 2, 3. I think we've got 4 here. Migo he was sleeping on 1.
Yeah? Well, it seems like it'd be comfortable.